They say it's crazy only until you do it. And so, I did it.
Once we have that guy who comes and changes the entire outlook towards the sport.
This is not a story of some ordinary footballer from India. This is a story of the Indian midfielder who just marked his name in the World Finals of FC Bayern Youth Cup, Burial Tudu, a 16-year-old footballer from Odisha who has played more than 500 matches, had scored more than 100 goals and is currently playing for Baichung Bhutia. His journey began at the age of 4 when he first saw football in his village and instantly fell in love with the beauty, grace and passion of the game. And his life was about to change when he came to Goa along with the 14 other players for a 3-day-long roller coaster of the national finals at Brigade Presents FC Bayern Youth Cup.
We are in Goa. This is the national final.
Some of them are coming from the remotest area of India, and we are seeing some amazing talent out there. And it's really amazing to see this beautiful tournament back in our country, and yeah, couldn't be happier.
Just a good feeling coming till here. It's a great opportunity. It's exciting and nervous at the same time. First, you're being watched by other, like the scouts and stuff, so the nervousness is there, but I'm excited for it.
The national finals that is buzzed with talent, intense drills and eager scouts on the lookout.
Personally, it's my first time here in India, so I was just I'm allowing myself to be surprised. It's been a great work on Big Hit side to organize nationwide scouting events because that way we can see what India has to offer.
It looks like a cracker of a match here at the Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Stadium in Fatorda, Margao. पहले पायदान को पार करते हुए दूसरे पायदान में पहुंच चुका है। दोनों ही दल एक दूसरे पर टूट पड़े हैं। ऐसा लगता है कि मानो जल्द से जल्द गोल करने के फिराक में है। लीड पर खड़े हैं और अब यहाँ पर एक लंबी विसिल बजती हुई तो यहाँ पर तालियों की गड़गड़ाहट। जानते हैं कि इस करो या मरो के मुकाबले में मुकाबला जीत कर उन्होंने क्वार्टर फाइनल में प्रवेश पा लिया है।
Burial's team failed to qualify for the finals, but it was not about winning or losing. It was about performance, and Burial definitely did not fail to impress the scouts.
ମୁଁ ଚାହୁଁଛି କି ଇଣ୍ଡିଆର ଟପ୍ 10 ପ୍ଲେୟରରୁ ଆସିବି ମାନେ ଭଲ ଖେଳିବି ଆଉ ବଡ଼ ବଡ଼ କ୍ଲବରେ ଖେଳିବି ଆଉ ଇଣ୍ଡିଆକୁ ରିପ୍ରେଜେଣ୍ଟ କରିବି ଆଉ
Team India for the FC Bayern Youth Cup 2023 in Munich is from Aldor, number 6, Burial Tudu.
3 days long wait was over, and Burial made it into top 10 players. They will be traveling to Germany to represent India at the World Finals of FC Bayern Youth Cup 2023.
Everything is in place, and now it is up to the child how best he gives. Whole thing is for to see that India gets the best players.
After scouting, Team India gathered for the national training camp, where 10 players spent 7 days training twice a day to unite as one team.
स्टेप अप करने का कुछ प्लान है आपका?
हार्ड वर्क करना है और मेहनत करना है और बेस्ट से बेस्ट देना है. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है. पहली बार कंट्री का बाहर जा रहे हैं हम लोग खेलने के लिए.
From Mumbai to Istanbul to Munich, finally after 10 hours, 25 minutes, 1 layover and 2 immigration checks, Burial was stepping into his dream that has just turned into reality.
ପାଖରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି ନାଇଜେରିଆ, ଆର୍ଜେଣ୍ଟିନା, ଜର୍ମାନୀ, ମେକ୍ସିକୋ.
80 participants from 8 different teams, traveling from 8 different countries, played more than 30 matches and had training sessions with 4 Bayern coaches in those precious 5 days, making it a wholesome experience for Burial, who couldn't wait to get on the ground and play.
ତାପରେ ସେଇଠୁ ଖେଳିଲୁ. ଆମେ ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ଆମର ହେଇଥିଲା. ଫାର୍ଷ୍ଟ ମ୍ୟାଚ୍ ମେକ୍ସିକୋ ସାଙ୍ଗରେ ଥିଲା.
Wir haben noch 16 Spieler jetzt ausgewählt, die dann morgen gegen uns U17 spielen werden.
Der MVP ist Burial Tudu.
Congratulations.
Being scouted as the MVP for Team India was more than just an award for him. It was a chance to join the FC Bayern Under-19 World Squad, a team every player dreams of being part of.
I know you're nervous and it's good, so you have to be nervous at some point. Otherwise, you will not perform. Just show what you showed yesterday in the tournament or the day before. So play your game, like your skills. For some it's the speed, for some it's the technique. Then you get more confident and that helps a lot to get into the game.
Burial Tudu, that one face who can live the dream of 1.5 billion Indians and change the face of Indian football on the global stage.